हेलो गाइस, चले हम आवाज़ मेरी जा रही है। हम शुरू करते हैं एक डिस्कशन। ये काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है। क्लाइमेट चेंज, जो वायुमंडल परिवर्तन है और क्लाइमेट चेंज का असर, तो आप देख रहे हैं कि हमारे जो भी एनिमल और प्लांट किंगडम है, दोनों पर असर पड़ रहा है। अभी हम देखेंगे कि हाउ द क्लाइमेट चेंज अफेक्ट्स ओशियन कलर, समुद्र के रंग को जलवायु परिवर्तन कैसे अफेक्ट करता है। सी सो दिस इज आवर टॉपिक, ओशियन कलर चेंजेस ड्यू टू क्लाइमेट चेंज। Now come to the context. A study published in the journal Nature focused on the alteration of Earth's ocean color over the past 2 decades. See the context. The research conducted by scientists from various institutions aim to understand the possible connection between ocean color changes and human-induced climate change. Is the fact. Now come to the findings. Over 56% of Earth's oceans, exceeding the total land area on the planet, experienced shift in color. The findings. The change in ocean color indicates that maritime ecosystems are undergoing significant changes and may lead to potential imbalances in future, affecting both ocean life, marine life, and human dependence on marine resources. This is the fact. The change in the color of ocean indicates that marine ecosystems are undergoing significant changes and may lead to potential imbalances in the future, affecting both ocean life and human dependence on marine resources. Now come for the reasons. कारण क्या है? For oceans appearing blue or green, क्या कारण है कि हमारे जो समंदर हैं ये नीले रंग या हरे रंग में प्रतीत होते हैं? Oceans appear blue or navy blue in most regions. It's because of the absorption of longer wavelength colors like red, yellow, and green by water molecules, while shorter wavelength colors like blue and violet are reflected back. So the regions, oceans appear blue or navy blue in most regions. The absorption of longer wavelength colors like red, yellow, and green by water molecules, while shorter wavelengths color like blue and violet are reflected back. More points. Certain parts of the oceans appear green due to the presence of phytoplankton on the upper surface of the water. Phytoplankton contain the green colored pigment chlorophyll, which reflects green light. Certain parts of the ocean appear green due to the presence of phytoplankton on the upper surface of the water. Phytoplankton contain the green colored pigment chlorophyll. Here is a question. which refracts green light. Study methodology. Data from NASA's Aqua satellites moderate resolution imaging spectra diameter MODIS, okay, was used to monitor ocean color since 2022. So the study methodology, data from NASA's Aqua satellites, moderate resolution imaging spectroradiometer, this is abbreviation. यहाँ भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि what does MODIS stand for? Answer must be moderate resolution imaging spectroradiometer, remember, used to monitor ocean color since 2002 2002 से. A climate model was utilized to estimate ocean color changes under different scenarios, including greenhouse addition, to understand the effects of climate change on ocean color. This is the fact. A climate model was utilized to simulate ocean color changes under different scenarios, including greenhouse gas addition, to understand the effect of climate change on ocean color. Now, let us have a glance. Impact on ocean stratification. स्तरीकरण जो है समंदर का, सागर का, उस पर क्या असर पड़ता? The study says that ocean stratification, the natural separation of ocean water into horizontal layers this way by density, has increased due to climate change. Very good finding. And important one, the study says that ocean stratification, the natural separation of ocean water into horizontal layers, remember, horizontal this way, by density has increased due to climate change. Increased stratification, of course horizontal one, hinders the mixing of water layers, affecting the ocean's ability to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and limiting proper oxygen mixing with colored ocean waters below. Is the fact. Now come to the consequences for marine ecosystems. Changes in plankton populations, particularly phytoplankton, can be observed in regions with higher concentration of these organisms. Changes in plankton populations, particularly phytoplankton, can be observed in regions with higher concentration of these organisms. This shift in plankton populations may impact marine food webs, as plankton are crucial for supporting marine life, including fish, crabs, and sea stars. Implications of findings. The study's results highlight the profound impact of climate change on ocean ecosystems and the need to address the changes seriously. Understanding The consequences of ocean color changes is essential for preserving marine life, maintaining the carbon absorption capacity of the oceans, and ensuring the overall health of marine ecosystem. The understanding the consequences of ocean color changes is essential, significant for preserving marine life, marine life को preserve करने के लिए, maintaining the carbon absorption capacity of the ocean, and ensuring the overall health of marine ecosystems. To conclude, the research sheds light on the changing nature of the Earth's oceans and the role of climate change in influencing these shifts. Efforts mitigate the effects of climate change are critical to protect marine biodiversity and the livelihoods of those who depend on the oceans for sustenance and livelihoods. Just to conclude, the research throws light on the changing nature of Earth's oceans and the role of climate changes in influencing these shifts. Efforts to mitigate the effects of climate change are critical to protect marine biodiversity and the livelihoods of those who depend on the oceans for sustenance and livelihoods. दिस वे ये लेक्चर छोटा था, समाप्त होता है, और मैं पूरा कहूँगा कि अपनी आवश्यकता को और अपने फीलिंग्स को कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर डालें और अधिक से अधिक इसको शेयर करें ताकि ये जो लेक्चर है वो अधिक कारगर हो सके, और फिर आपकी जो ओपिनियंस आएंगे ऑन द कमेंट बॉक्स, इससे हमें भी मार्गदर्शन मिलेगा कि एक्चुअली व्हाट डू यू नीड, आप क्या चाहते हो. ओके, हैव अ गुड डे. दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे. थैंक यू.